boys and girls. We're in that last week of April. The last week. And this is your first day of the week that you have school. Yesterday was Sunday, right? You don't go to have school on Sunday, but you have school on... Almost said it. Did you say it? Monday. Yeah. So let's see here. 23, 24, 25. I think it's going to be 26. And it is. What number do you think will be here? 25, 26, 27. How many, you can just probably eyeball that. How many days are left in this month? Just only 4. There's only 4 days left in the month of April. Awesome. Okay, let's say the date today. Today is Monday, April 26th, 2021. Now, you see I have a bunch of little circles up here on my board because we were learning to count by 2s, 5s, and 10s this week. So I want us to count by 2s, and I drew it so that you could see it because I think it's confusing to count by 2s if you don't understand why you're counting by 2s. So here's what I'm thinking. So maybe you have some marbles and you want to make sure all your friends have 2 apiece, okay? So you put them in groups. You separated all your marbles into 2s so you could give them to your friends in 2s, right? They get 2. So you want to know how many marbles you have all together. Once you've separated them, you're like, oh, I don't want to separate them again and count that way. But they're already in 2s, so I can count them really quickly if I count by 2s. Because I can say 2, because there are 2 there, right? 4, because look, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 and 2 more is 4. Then if you add 2 more, that's 4 and 2 more. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6, right? So 2, 4, 6. 6 and 2 more is 8. 8 and 2 more is 10. 10 and 2 more is 12. So let's see if we can get that far. Let's count by 2s that far. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Now, he's got all these marbles left, and I'm going to help you out here. 12 and 2 more is 14. And 14 and 2 more is 16. And 16 and 2 more is 18. And 18 and 2 more is 20. And then 22, and then 24, and then 26, and then 28, and then 30. Let's see if we can get all the way to 30 counting by 2s. I know that's a big challenge, but let's see if we can. And I know you may not be able to see all my numbers up here. Might be too far away, but I'll help you out. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. All right. Well, it takes some practice, but you can do it. You can count by 2s on your number line too. On your name tag. Watch how you do this. You jump 2 spaces and say the number, because that's counting by 2s because there's 2 spaces here. So you'd say 2, and then you jump 2. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And did you notice something about all those numbers that I jumped to? They're all in red. So if you count the red numbers on your number line, you're counting by twos. Practice. Practice makes perfect. All right, we have 2 new sight words this week. Put and away. All right, put and away. So I'm going to use those in a sentence today, of course. So I'm going to use quotation marks today, or talking marks, because somebody's going to ask a question, then somebody's going to answer it. So it's what they said out loud, so I'm going to use those marks today, just for fun. So that's the first thing I'm going to put down is my quotation marks, because this is what somebody's going to say out loud. Can you put your toys away? If I wasn't holding my marker cap in that hand, you could see 6. I need 6 words. Can you put your toys away? Okay. We know how to spell can, C-A-N, capital C, beginning of a sentence. And we know how to spell you, Y-O-U. Okay. Now I'm going to use my new sight word, put, P-U-T. Then your is just you with an R on the end, and it means it belongs to you. Your. Can you put your? Yeah, spell toy. Only we're going to say toys because we mean more than one. You have more than one out. It's T-O-Y-S. T-O-Y-S. Not just a toy, but toys, meaning there's more than one out. Can you put your toys, and then I'm going to use away, A-W-A-Y, away. Can you put your toys away? That's definitely a question. And then I'm going to put my quotation marks at the end of that, because that's what somebody said out loud. Let's see, who said that? Oh, Mom said it. So Mom asked a question. Asked Mom. Now I'm going to put capital M because this is like her name in this sentence, Mom. And then I need a period after that because I told you when somebody's doing the talking and you have those quotation marks, it's like a little sentence within a big sentence. Can you put your toys away? Asked Mom. Now, Sam's going to answer. Yes, I will, said Sam. I need 5 words. I need quotation marks or talking marks because Sam's saying this out loud. He says yes, Y-E-S, and you need a comma there. Then capital I, yes, I. Then our sight word from last week, will. Remember? W-I-O. W-I-L-L. Yes, I will. Then you need a comma and your talking marks. Here's what he said out loud. Yes, I will. Then we need to say who said it. So I'm going to put said, S-A-I-D. How do you spell Sam? Well, I know I need a capital S at the beginning because it's a name. What do you think? I think capital S-A-M. And we need a period at the end because that's our end of our sentence within a sentence. Well, let's read it. Can you put your toys away? Asked Mom. Yes, I will, said Sam. That's a nice thing to do, right? If you're playing with toys, gotta put them away, right? Mom shouldn't have to pick them all up. Have a great day.